In this video, you will learn how to find and join groups on Catalyst. Joining groups on Catalyst allows users to find like-minded language teachers all over the country to build a trusted professional learning network with mutual accountability, like a gym buddy. Once you're logged into Catalyst, in the top center of the homepage, you'll see My Groups, information about the groups to which you currently belong. Along with this information, you have two options: join a group and create a group. To join a group, click Join Group. This will bring up a search window where you can search by users, existing groups, or languages. Search results are sorted into 4 tabs: Users, Groups, Goals, or Strengths. By clicking Groups after entering one or more search terms, you will be able to explore and join groups with one or more criteria that interest you: the language they teach, the grade they teach, their professional goals and interests, and more. Once you find a group you are interested in joining, you can either join if the group is public, or request to join if the group is private. Private groups also have administrator-selected group access codes. If you are given one of these codes to join a group, find the group in the search function and enter the access code. When you enter the correct access code, you will see a green confirmation pop-up in the upper right-hand corner, confirming successful joining. Catalyst allows users to join many different groups, allowing educators to engage with colleagues near and far to work towards mutual goals and areas of interest.